Every new day at Vina-Sanwa begins with an energetic rhythm of operation. The people of Vina-Sanwa, dedicated and professional, are the driving force that creates strength and value for the entire company. The dynamic operational flow at Vina-Sanwa connects people and technology, laying the foundation for quality and innovation. Inheriting excellence since 1956 in Japan, Sanwa Holdings has risen to global leadership with more than 60 manufacturing facilities across North America, Europe, and Asia. The group's mission is to deliver safety and stability to users, provide the best products, and contribute to the creation of a prosperous society. In Vietnam, Vina-Sanwa has been officially operating since 2009 with a 20,000 square meter facility and 100% Japanese investment capital. This is our firm commitment to become a global value corporation, steadfastly pursuing a sustainable management strategy. The factory is optimally arranged between production and office areas, operating under strict Japanese standards. Modern production lines ensure absolute precision, delivering high-quality products with refined details and long-lasting durability. All processes are rigorously controlled in accordance with Sanwa's core 4G philosophy. The four core values, good quality, good spirit, good service, and good maintenance, form the foundation of Vina-Sanwa's sustainable operations. The 4G core values establish a solid operational platform, enabling us to provide customers with high-quality products and professional services, contributing to improved quality of life and enhanced safety. Vina-Sanwa delivers solutions in engineered steel doors, fire-rated doors, apartment doors, and acoustic doors. Steel-framed glass partitions and automatic sliding doors help create modern spaces. We provide fire protection and safety solutions, including fire-rated rolling shutters meeting EI 60 and EI 120 standards, as well as security rolling shutters. Fast delivery and professional service are our most steadfast commitments, embodying the spirit of good service and our promise to always keep our word. Our professional office systems in Hanoi and Ho Chi Minh City ensure rapid consultation and after-sales support, delivered with the highest level of service attitude. The reputation of Vina-Sanwa is affirmed through key landmark projects, from the Grand Hanoi to Fumihong Urban Area, the Military History Museum, Aeon Mall Hat Long, Long Tai International Airport, and Noi Bai International Airport Terminal T2. We are a trusted partner of leading manufacturers such as Panasonic, Toto, Nito, Nitori, and nearly all Japanese invested factories in Vietnam, as well as many other international investors. Quality, innovation, credibility, responsibility, and people are the 5 core values that form the foundation for Vina-Sanwa's sustainable development. We always prioritize product quality under the standards and supervision of Sanwa Group Japan, meeting the most stringent requirements of our customers. Innovation is driven by the continuous application of new technologies in production and services, while credibility is upheld through integrity in all business activities. Responsibility is fulfilled through our commitment to the community, environmental protection, and the promotion of sustainable development. We are committed to safe development, energy efficiency, and the creation of products that effectively respond to climate change. Vina-Sanwa's vision is to become a leading supplier of steel doors, fire-rated steel doors, rolling shutters, fire-rated rolling shutters, and other door products in Vietnam, while expanding exports to Asia and other regions worldwide. We will contribute to society by providing safety, security, and comfort, and establish ourselves as a top brand.